A demonstration of the Atlas 18-1904A computerized bartack machine. This machine has a lot of different pre-programmed stitch samples, and currently it's been set up to work with heavy materials, but it can work with light materials also. Today we're going to demonstrate the Xbox function, and there's a lot of different pre-programmed ones, but to make it fit your style of stitch or your material, you could resize them with the control panel X and Y functions. You would just cycle here and you would increase or decrease to fit the frame. Here we go. Okay, ready? It's fully automatic, cuts, sews, everything. It's not really a problem. And that's it. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye. Yeah. Check the back.
Another one. One more. Perfect. Beautiful. Thank you very much for visiting Atlas.